I'm Jojo Imats, shaking up innovation and making it way less boring, one click at a time.
Ever heard of ISO 965UO? No, it's not a new robot overlord. It's actually a global set of standards for managing information throughout the entire lifecycle of built assets, using Building Information Modeling, BIM for short. Think of it as the secret sauce that helps the right people get the right info at the right time, so your project doesn't end up like a game of broken telephone. Pretty clever, huh? ISO 19650 isn't just one thing, it's a whole series. Each part covers a different stage of managing information in a project. It's like having a playlist, but instead of songs, you get rules for smoother project jazz. Let's check out what's in the mix. Let's break down those parts. Part 1 is all about concepts and principles, aka the foundation. Part 2 tackles information during the delivery phase, or as I call it, the messy middle. Part 3 focuses on operational phase, when your asset is actually being used. Parts 4 and 6 are still cooking, but they'll cover how we exchange info and keep everyone safe. Part 5, that's the security-minded approach. Because yes, even your digital building needs a bouncer. Now let's talk shop. First up, common data environment. Imagine a giant cloud drive that everyone in the project can use. Next, information requirements, because clients, projects, and assets all want different things. The information delivery cycle keeps data moving, from work in progress to published to archived. And finally, roles and responsibilities. Someone's got to be the information manager, making sure nobody accidentally deletes the blueprints. Why should you care about ISO 19650? Glad you asked. It makes collaboration less like herding cats and more like a synchronized dance. It boosts efficiency. No more duplicate files called final_4 version 2. It reduces risk by keeping track of every change. It even supports sustainability, helping buildings go green. Plus, it's globally compatible, so you can work with anyone, anywhere. No passport required. ISO 19650 is the unsung hero of project teamwork. By standardizing workflows and file formats, it keeps everyone on the same page, literally. Goodbye, confusing email chains. Hello, Project Harmony. Efficiency is the name of the game. ISO 19650 streamlines information delivery and stops duplication in its tracks. That's right, no more endless versions clogging up your folders. Your future self will thank you. Nobody likes surprises in construction projects. ISO 19650 reduces risk by making data traceable and minimizing errors. Think of it as a safety net for your project info. You'll sleep better, promise. ISO 19650 encourages smart data practices that keep the building lifecycle sustainable. And since it aligns with other global standards, you can collaborate across borders without missing a beat. Your project just became an international superstar. So there you have it, a quick, energetic run-through of ISO 19650. It helps projects stay organized, efficient, and secure, with a touch of global flair. Adopt it, and you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Now, go forth and manage that BIM info like a pro.
All right, crew, we're signing off. Go build, go create, and go show the world how it's done. Keep the energy high and the innovation louder. Till the next round, stay unstoppable.